Hey there, skiers and riders. My name's Jay Roy, and this is your Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update for Friday, February 8th. Any day on skis is better than a day at work, and today will consist of scattered rain showers with temperatures expected to reach the mid-40s with a west wind of up to 30 miles per hour. The rain's expected to taper off later in the afternoon, just in time for all you that are at work or in school today. Our grooming team worked extra hard overnight to give you edge-to-edge corduroy on all our trails, and the team is picking up any loose branches that might have fallen before you get here. That means we have 25 trails, 5 lifts, and 8 features in the park from top to bottom just waiting for you to enjoy. Don't forget to stop by the Nature's Path tent on Saturday from 10:30 to 2:30 for complimentary organic snacks. Afterwards, you can join the Wormtown Brewery in the Copper Top Lounge from 4 to 7 p.m. The crew will be enjoying beer and helping create your own hat for the Blizzard of 78 party. So bring your rain fly, enjoy this warmth, and I'll see you on the slopes.